morning students. Today is a rainy day. So in this time we like to eat delicious and spicy food. That's why today I thought that I will make khichdi. So, do you know it is our national food? It is a very delicious and healthy also. For making this recipe, I took half cup of musur dal and half cup of moong dal, half cup of musur dal and half cup of fried moong dal and one cup of one cup of rice. Okay, I kept all these three things in water for soaking to make them soft for 10 minutes. Okay, now I will add all three things into the water for boiling. It will take time. In the meantime, I will make sambar for the khichdi. At first, I took 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil and add some cumin seed, some bay leaves and 2 dry mirchi and some onion, chopped onion, and frying it till now it will golden brown. Okay, now I add half tablespoon of kasuri methi for making this recipe aromatic. Okay, now frying complete and khichdi also mostly completed. Now I will add this sambar into the khichdi. Okay, now we follow the khichdi mostly prepare. Okay, like this way you can make this type of healthy and delicious food. You can add vegetables also for you can add vegetables for making this recipe more healthy. Okay, and you can fry some papad, some pakora with eating in this with this recipe. Okay, students, you can make this type of recipe for the rainy day and you enjoy it